How you doing, guys? I'm Sean. Welcome to Rambles with my camera. Guys, today's video is going to be very, very quick. Just a small selection of photographs that have been taken over the past few weeks, possibly even the past month, just here and there. So, can I start off by thanking you all so much for your love and support and positive vibes in the channel. Really, really appreciate it. And I hope you have a fantastic week ahead. Big shout out to all the new subscribers. You're very, very welcome. And all the old subscribers, as you already know, I keep saying this, you're all welcome. I really appreciate you taking time out to watch these videos. It's Sunday, and Sunday evening, just getting ready to wind down here now. I'm sent over China's, hence the Pussycats. So, send you love from Belfast. Have a fantastic week ahead, and thanks again for all your love and support in the channel.